I think crypto is actually a good leading indicator. So this sort of last jump up that we saw there, and what is this, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, and then sort of Friday afternoon into Saturday, and Saturday itself kind of just non-event day. I get the impression that that's exactly what the stock market is doing right now, is it's just simply just sort of playing catch up. So it jumped up. That was the jump up late Friday, early Saturday that crypto just went through. And now you can see it's sort of consolidating. The S&Ps actually have a bit of a double top working. So does NASDAQ. And who are the culprits? Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, interesting Tesla to a certain degree. And if I understand correctly, those are a lot of those kind of companies are coming up here or on the earnings docket. So you can see we got Microsoft, Visa, one of the big credit card company, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, good old Musk. Big semiconductor companies coming up here. And I noticed AMD was jumping up nicely. NVIDIA was jumping up nicely. So I'm sure Julian will have some comments about his NVIDIA. You know, I've always thought that a real lagger in this space and that a stock that was really overdue for a rally. I mean, look at that chart. Who can tell me just on social media, what kind of formation do you see there? It should be pretty obvious. Let's see if anybody in the Zoom call here. What is this pattern? I mean, it's actually plain as day. If you've been around TRI long enough, I would say it's a cup and handle formation, and very pretty. So Intel's an odd creature though, right? Intel has it never participated in this bull market, right? In fact, you can't even see on this chart, but we're basically like at the same levels it was during the dot-com boom. And never really did participate. But of course, with the repatriation of the semiconductor industry, I mean, it's fascinating to see how quickly the whole damn China story has just completely unwound. But it'd be interesting. I've thought long and hard, if anything, I'm almost tempted, you know, honestly, just to go and pick up some more of this stock here. It's a good looking chart, and that stock is long overdue to participate in this market. Anyway, so I think that the earnings conversation now, in this sort of lack of direction from like Fed speak, you know, they're probably going to be pretty quiet now. You probably won't hear too much out of them. I think that's probably going to be what drives price action here. Don't really see a situation where we're overly overbought or oversold in any of our sectors. If anything, a little concerned that crypto and the bond market, of all things, are a little bit too uppy in the medium term. Probably need a bit of consolidation there, but in the short term, I don't really see anything that's alarm bell ringing. If anything, probably over the next week we will see these things get bid up into overbought. It's kind of just a neutral story, and our 50 line is right here, and you can see that both of the sort of oscillator signals are kind of just sitting, oscillating right around the 50 line. So I'd have to probably say that's probably the best interpretation of what's going on here right now.